The handicap index should always reflect your demonstrated ability. But even the best players can have a series of bad scores which don't truly reflect their underlying ability. To combat this, there are automatic caps in the handicap formula, ensuring your handicap index won't rise too quickly due to a short run of poor form. Your lowest handicap index within the 12 months prior to your last score acts as a baseline. When your new handicap index calculates at more than 3 strokes higher than your low handicap index, a soft cap applies and reduces the value of any increase over 3.0 by 50%. As a second safeguard, there's a hard cap, limiting any upward movement in your index to a maximum of 5 strokes above your low handicap index. Both caps apply automatically, with no need to carry out calculations yourself. You can play your round confident that whatever happens on the course, your updated handicap index will continue to reflect your ability.